Could AI's dangerous side be putting us at risk?
The most dangerous part of AI is when its bias doesn't just block opportunity, but when it destroys lives. Algorithms trained on skewed data can misdiagnose or mishandle care for many groups, including racial, gender, and ethnic minorities. These models can spread bias unless developers use inclusive data and transparent methods.
What happens when AI gets mental health wrong?
Companies have built AI tools that scan social media posts to detect signs of depression. But studies show these tools often fail with Black users. AI wasn't trained on Black culture, so it typically misses the pain. This is not new. The medical field has a long history of misjudging non-white people. Research proves doctors regularly downplay Black patients' pain. They ignore or dismiss symptoms, sending people home without proper care. Now AI is learning the same bad habits. That means the same neglect is being written into our future. In a horrifying case, Adam Rain, a 16-year-old in pain, found himself talking to ChatGPT instead of people. He revealed his darkest thoughts in the chats. He asked ChatGPT to draft his farewell letter. The pain of his parents is beyond any words. They are suing OpenAI for failing him. OpenAI now promise parental controls, crisis alarms, better self-harm detection. But promises are not enough. We must demand more. The courts and Congress must step in. Families deserve justice.
Will AI make healthcare more dangerous for some?
In 2020, The Lancet Digital Health reported bias in hospital algorithms. They were trained on nearly 90% light skin and just 10% dark skin. As a result, skin cancer in darker skin was often missed. Wearable devices like smartwatches often gave false oxygen readings on darker skin, leading to misdiagnoses. The pulse oximeter became a problem during COVID-19. Studies showed it gave false readings for darker skin. Black patients were almost 3 times more likely to have low oxygen missed. Doctors call this occult hypoxemia, and for some, care was delayed over 4 hours.
Is facial recognition too dangerous for our streets?
Facial recognition scans a person's face, measures its features, and tries to match it to a photo in a database. Police say it helps catch suspects. But in real life, it frequently makes dangerous mistakes. In 2020, Robert Williams, a Black man in Detroit, was arrested after the software falsely matched his face to a crime. He was innocent. His case made national news and showed that bias is not theory. It destroys lives. And his case is not alone. Across the country, other Black men have faced the same false matches. Each time, families are left broken, jobs are lost, and trust in the system disappears. Civil rights groups, including the ACLU, have demanded police stop using facial recognition.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.